Hello queens, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's me, your girl Malika. It's me. Listen, let's get into this wig, okay? Yes, it's a wig. Did I mention that it was a wig? It's a wig, okay? Okay, I know I have a lot to talk about. I know you're probably like, what is going on? Where did she come from? This wig has just been getting so much attention, okay? Let me back up a little bit so y'all can get a better look at Storm. I call her Storm. I don't know if you guys name your wigs. If you don't have a wig, you need to get into this wig right here. I'm just feeling myself. I feel like I found my long lost like soul or something. Like I feel like this wig is just giving me all type of vibes. You know what I'm saying? Just vibes. This wig is from the JStayReady collection. This is one of his newest wigs. It's a full lace wig. It's completely lace all the way through, and it is pre-plucked and tweezed at the hairline. He plucked and tweezed this unit himself. It is also custom colored. So if you're looking for this particular color and you want to get this particular unit, I don't think this wig is up yet. It is new. So if you want this wig, because a lot of people have been like coming at me like this, so I was like, let me just make a tutorial because I can't. All of these people are wondering like where did it come from? Check out his website. Make sure you click on the link that I'll leave in the description box, and you can find all of his wigs on his website. His wigs are phenomenal. This is the second unit, and if you want this particular wig, you just go onto his website and upload a picture of myself. You can upload me. You can upload a picture of me to his website. It'll have all the options you need. What length, and this is a medium size cap, and my head is really small. Like I have a small head. I know a lot of people think my head is big. I even thought my head was big at one point, but it's my forehead, okay? It's all up in here. It's all up in here. It's an illusion. My head is not that big. This is a medium size cap, which is standard for like the average person, but if you have a large size head, or if you feel like you do, you probably don't even have a big head, girl, but if you feel like you do, you can get a large cap. But for reference, this is a medium size cap, and again, if you want this particular wig because it is new, you can upload a picture of myself and just tell him what length you want. Just upload a picture of the unit because again, it is new. It's not on his website yet. Don't be like, Malika sent me to the website to get this wig and the wig is not in there. It's not on the website to be found. Can't find it. What you have to do is it'll give you an option to upload a photo of a wig style you want, which will be my picture, and there you go. Voila, magic. Voila, magic. Wow. Aside from this particular wig, if you are interested in a wig from JStayReady, there are several different wigs on his website, and you'll find some that will be called the ready-made wigs, and those wigs are lace front wigs, and they come with an adjustable strap at the back with a clip and 2 clips on the side and 2 clamps that'll clamp down the wig as well, which makes it more secure, which means you don't have to use any glue. It is a glueless lace front wig, and those are the bomb. I prefer that wig just because it's more convenient. I don't have to use glue every time I want to apply the wig. Just put it on and go, and it is a lace front wig. I give his wigs 5 stars across the board. If you're looking for something that's convenient, with Jay, his wigs are very, very, very affordable, and they're phenomenal, okay? Phenomenal. Everybody loves this wig. I've been getting so many DMs and text messages and phone calls about this wig. If you do not follow me on social media, then you need to follow me on social media because the wig made it to my Instagram and my Facebook first. And yeah, I've been trying to upload this tutorial or review for like ever since it hit Instagram. So yeah, again, this is a full lace unit. And the ready-made wigs are a little bit different. You do not have to use glue when you purchase a ready-made wig. You do not have to use glue, which is more convenient. And you can get a ready-made wig in this style. Okay? So there you have it. I hope you all enjoyed this review. I hope it was very informative and helpful, and I hope I wasn't all over the place because this wig is giving me so much life. But if I left anything out, please hit me in the comment box below and I'll be sure to answer any questions you have, because I know a lot of you were wondering about this wig. Alright, queens, so that is all I have for you, and I will see you on the next one. Love you, queens. Bye.